There is a realm of amazement that serves as a witness to the unadulterated, unbridled beauty of our planet in a world full of man-made wonders. These are the natural wonders of the world, works of art created by nature that have fascinated explorers, poets, and visionaries for ages. Number 25. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is a breathtaking natural phenomenon that draws tourists and nature lovers to Canaima National Park in Venezuela. This majestic waterfall is a symbol of the breathtaking splendor of the unspoiled wilderness on our planet. Angel Falls is a magnificent wonder of the natural world, reaching a dizzying heights and seemingly continuous descents. The view as you get closer to Angel Falls is nothing short of breathtaking. Number 24. Giant's Causeway. The Giant's Causeway is one of nature's most fascinating and mysterious wonders. It is located in County Antrim, Northern Ireland, along a rocky and enigmatic coastline. Visitors have been captivated by this geological wonder for ages, since it is a true witness to the forces of nature. A rare collection of hexagonal basalt columns, known as the Giant's Causeway, extends like a vast, surreal staircase from the base of the cliffs into the foamy waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The dramatic backdrop of the Atlantic Ocean's pounding waves adds to the breathtaking atmosphere of the location. Visitors from all over the world travel to see this magnificent work of nature and explore its distinctive beauty. Number 23. Nepali Coast. An isolated and breathtakingly beautiful section of shoreline on the Hawaiian island of Kauai. The Nepali coast is a remarkable work of nature that calls adventurers, hikers, and nature lovers to discover. The Nepali coast, a 16-mile, 26-kilometer stretch of coastline on Kauai's northwest coast that is largely inaccessible by road, is a haven for travelers looking for a more secluded and natural experience. The Pacific Ocean's brilliant blue hues clash with the cliff's lush foliage to produce an absolutely stunning visual sight. Number 22. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It is located where Nepal and China's Tibet Autonomous Region converge. The precise location of the summit frequently sparks international debate. Mount Everest climbing is a very difficult and risky endeavor. It is one of the deadliest mountains in the world due to the great elevation, severe weather, avalanches, crevasses, and other dangers. Many mountaineers still aspire to climb it, but doing so requires extensive planning, experience, and a deep understanding of the mountain's risks.
left those over there.
Number 21. Pulpit Rock. Pulpit Rock, one of the most well-known tourist destinations in Norway, is a sizable rock plateau with a rectangular or square shape that protrudes out horizontally from the cliffside. The last ice age's glacial activity led to the development of Pulpit Rock. Along with being a natural beauty, Pulpit Rock serves as a representation of Norway's breathtaking scenery. It offers a special chance for hikers, outdoor enthusiasts, and environment lovers to take in the country's untamed beauty and breathtaking landscapes. Number 20. Wadi Rum. Southern Jordan is home to the breathtaking desert valley of Wadi Rum, sometimes called the Valley of the Moon. It's renowned for its unearthly scenery, distinctive rock formations. The scenery of Wadi Rum is frequently described as unearthly and as resembling Mars's surface. Due to its distinctive and visually spectacular settings, Wadi Rum has become a well-liked tourist attraction. For tourists seeking to see Jordan's natural treasures, immerse themselves in the desert environment, and learn about Bedouin culture, Wadi Rum is a must-visit location. Number 19. Lake Baikal. In Siberia, Russia, there lies a magnificent and well-known natural wonder called Lake Baikal, the world's largest and deepest freshwater lake. The ice on the lake becomes translucent during the winter when it is frozen, allowing visibility down to major depths. In addition to being a natural wonder, Lake Baikal is also an important ecological and scientific site. For scientists, nature lovers, and tourists from all over the world, it is still a source of attraction and study. Number 18. The Maldives in the Indian Ocean, south of Sri Lanka and India, are 26 atolls and more than 1,000 coral islands that make up the tropical paradise known as the Maldives. Stunning white sand beaches, turquoise oceans, bright coral reefs, and opulent overwater bungalows are some of its most well-known features. The Maldives is a well-liked tourist destination that is well known for its opulent resorts, water activities, and undersea adventures. The magnificent natural beauty, distinctive overwater lodgings, and abundant marine life of the Maldives make it a paradise for honeymooners, divers, and tourists looking for an opulent tropical getaway. Number 17, Banff National Park, stunning and well-known. Banff National Park is a national park in Alberta, Canada's Canadian Rockies. Banff National Park is renowned for its beautiful alpine scenery, clean lakes, variety of species, and chances for outdoor activities. The park is home to a variety of animals, including wolves, elk, deer, moose, black bears, grizzly bears, and other bear species. Bald eagles and peregrine falcons are among the many bird species that birdwatchers can see. It is a well-liked vacation spot for those who enjoy the outdoors, the great outdoors, and seeing the splendor of the Canadian Rockies. Number 16, Salar de Uyuni. The largest salt flat in the world, Salar de Uyuni, is situated in southwest Bolivia, close to the Andes mountain range's crest. This natural marvel is a well-liked travel destination because of its huge, flat, and somewhat bizarre scenery. The Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat. The salt flat is covered in a thin layer of water during the rainy season, which typically lasts from November to March, providing a captivating mirror image for flamingo breeding. The salty lagoons around the salt flat are especially crucial. Travelers looking for a one-of-a-kind experience in South America will find Salar de Uyuni to be an amazing location due to its bizarre and seemingly infinite expanse of salt and otherworldly natural phenomenon. Number 15. Yellowstone. One of the most recognizable and well-known national parks in both the United States and the rest of the globe is Yellowstone National Park. The park is well known for its geothermal attractions, which include fumaroles, mud pots, hot springs, and geysers. It is regarded as one of the best locations in the country to see animals in its natural setting. Yellowstone is home to a great number of lakes, rivers, and waterfalls, including Yellowstone Lake, one of North America's biggest high-altitude lakes. Yellowstone National Park is a great destination for those who enjoy the outdoors and environment because of its geothermal wonders, amazing fauna, and breathtaking vistas. Number 14. Iguazu Falls. One of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world is the Iguazu Falls. It is a sizable waterfall system that can be found in South America's Iguazu National Park, at the boundary between Argentina and Brazil. The Iguazu River, which rushes through luxuriant subtropical rainforests before dramatically tumbling over basalt cliffs, is responsible for creating the falls. One of the most stunning and breathtaking waterfall systems in the entire world is Iguazu Falls. It is a top choice for nature lovers and tourists looking for an unforgettable experience in South America, due to its combination of beautiful natural landscape, an abundance of animals, and accessibility to visitors from across the world. Number 13. Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert, which spans a sizable chunk of North Africa, is the world's largest scorching desert. North African nations: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, and Tunisia are all included in the Sahara Desert's geographic range. It is larger than all of the United States. The Sahara draws adventure travelers who come to enjoy the desert's distinctive scenery, go on camel treks, and discover old caravan routes despite its harsh circumstances. Despite the many difficulties it presents, it is nonetheless a location of tremendous interest and significance for the study of deserts, climate, and the history of the planet. Number 12. Galapagos Islands. A group of volcanic islands called the Galapagos are an archipelago that may be found in the Pacific Ocean, west of Ecuador on the continent of South America. They were created by volcanic activity. Periodic eruptions continue to take place on the islands because of their ongoing volcanic activity. The Galapagos Islands continue to be a natural wonder and a dynamic research environment for the study of ecology and evolution. They still serve as an inspiration to tourists, researchers, and nature lovers from all over the world, who come to see the astounding variety of species that exist in this inhospitable setting. Number 11. Pukala Pamukkale, which translates as Cotton Castle in Turkish, is a natural wonder and well-known tourist destination in the Denizli province of southwestern Turkey. The mineral-rich waters that run down the mountainside and create gorgeous thermal springs and travertines are known for their stunning white terraces. Pamukkale is a historical and cultural landmark that offers a singular fusion of beautiful landscapes and ancient history. It is not only a place of natural beauty, it is a tribute to the strength of nature and has enchanted tourists with its ethereal beauty for generations. Number 10. Zhangjiajie National Forest. A breathtakingly gorgeous national forest found in the Hunan province of southern China. It is renowned for its magnificent sandstone pillars, luxuriant greenery, and distinctive landscapes. Thousands of towering, slender sandstone pillars and peaks that resemble natural skyscrapers, and are the park's claim to fame. The exceptional natural beauty of Zhangjiajie National Forest Park has made a lasting impression on those who have had the opportunity to explore its distinctive landscapes. Visitors from all over the world continue to be inspired and awed by its amazing sandstone pillars and lush vegetation, which together create a beautiful and surreal setting. Number 9. The Northern Lights. One of the most amazing natural phenomena on Earth is the Northern Lights. They are a brilliant display of colored lights that can be seen in the night sky. In areas near the magnetic poles, such as sections of Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, Iceland, and northern Russia, viewing the northern lights is most common. In the winter, when the evenings are longer and darker, the lights are most noticeable. Awe-inspiring and spectacular, the northern lights have captured the attention of people all around the world. It is awe-inspiring to witness the vibrant lights dancing across the Arctic night sky, which is a monument to the wonder of our natural environment. Number 8. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef, the biggest coral reef system in the world, is situated in the Coral Sea off the Queensland coast of Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's biggest coral reef system. The Great Barrier Reef is made up of a massive network of channels, lagoons, and open waters, in addition to thousands of individual coral reefs and cays. The Great Barrier Reef is a marvel of nature. Number 7. Antarctica. The southernmost continent on Earth, Antarctica is renowned for its bitter cold, enormous ice sheets. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. Antarctica is home to an unexpectedly wide range of fauna. This includes seagulls, several fish species, and penguins like emperor and Adelie penguins, seals like Weddell and leopard seals, and penguins. Antarctica also serves as a reminder of how resilient life can be in harsh conditions. Number 6. Mount Bromo. An active volcano called Mount Bromo. It is situated in East Java, Indonesia. It's common to hear people describe the area around Mount Bromo as lunar-like and unearthly. Travelers seeking adventure and natural beauty in Indonesia frequently choose Mount Bromo. It presents a rare chance to experience up close the strength and beauty of an active volcano. Number 5. Victoria Falls. One of the most well-known and impressive waterfalls in the world is Victoria Falls, which is situated on the Zambezi River in southern Africa. Victoria Falls is frequently regarded as one of the world's greatest waterfalls. The enormous spray and mist produced by the cascading water at Victoria Falls, which can be seen and heard from a great distance. A must-see location for tourists traveling southern Africa, Victoria Falls is a magnificent natural wonder that combines breathtaking natural beauty with exciting adventure activities. Visitors are still captivated and filled with awe by its recognizable image and cultural significance. Number 4. Grand Canyon. One of the most recognizable natural wonders in the world, the Grand Canyon is renowned for its spectacular and expansive landscapes. Sedimentary rock layers make up the majority of the Grand Canyon. In addition to being a natural wonder, the Grand Canyon is a geological treasure trove and a popular vacation spot for adventurers and others who like the great outdoors. Visitors from all over the world are still drawn to the region by its wide, vibrant landscapes and the canyon's sheer size. Number 3. Ha Long Bay. Northeastern Vietnam's Ha Long Bay is a gorgeous natural wonder. It is well known for its magnificent limestone karsts, emerald green waterways, and abundant fauna. Ha Long Bay is located in the South China Sea's Gulf of Tonkin. Travelers traveling Vietnam should not miss Ha Long Bay because it has amazing marine life, spectacular terrain, and intriguing legends. It is a location where the beauty of nature and cultural legacy collide, giving visitors an experience they won't soon forget. Number 2. Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, sometimes known as the Amazon, is the biggest tropical rainforest on Earth. The Amazon River flows through several nations, primarily in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. An incredible variety of plant and animal species can be found in the Amazon. The Amazon River, one of the longest rivers in the world, runs through the tropical forest. Number 1. Serengeti Migration. One of the most amazing animal phenomena on Earth is the Serengeti migration. Millions of animals travel through the Serengeti environment in East Africa every year, mainly in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests and zebras are the two main species that migrate through the Serengeti. Although the migration's exact date varies from year to year, it generally follows a pattern that is observable. Seasonal changes force the animals to travel in search of new grazing grounds and water supplies. One of the best areas in Africa to view the big 5 game animals, lions, elephants, buffaloes, leopards, and rhinoceroses, is the Serengeti. It is a must-see spectacle for nature lovers and tourists, and a testament to how resilient and adaptable wildlife is in the face of shifting environmental conditions. The Great Migration is arguably the world's greatest natural wonder and the highlight of any safari in Africa.